Are you having issues after installing the KB5086672 update on Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall this update step by step to fix any problems. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Now click on Windows Update, then select Update History. Scroll all the way down and click on Uninstall Updates. In the list of installed updates, locate KB5086672. Once you find it, click on Uninstall. A confirmation window will appear. Click Uninstall again. Now wait for the update and its related files to be removed from your system. After the uninstall process is complete, restart your PC to finish the process. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.